Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Coin98 Super Wallet application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch Open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Coin98 and search. Look for this application that says Coin98 Super Wallet and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, which will take a few minutes. Coin98 is a crypto super application that offers a comprehensive and trusted ecosystem of essential services including, but not limited to, a non-custodial and cryptocurrency wallet. Once the application is downloaded on your device, tap on the Open button to launch Open Coin98 application on your iOS device. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.